Hey everyone! Looking to start your own online store in 2025 without breaking the bank? This is your sign. Shopify is now offering a free trial, and after that, you get 3 entire months for just $1 per month. Yes, only $1 per month. This is the best deal we've seen from Shopify in years, and it's perfect whether you're starting from scratch or ready to scale your business. Click the link in the description right now to claim this limited-time offer and launch your store today. So why is this offer such a big deal? Shopify is one of the most trusted platforms to build an online store, used by millions of entrepreneurs worldwide. With this deal, you get full access to all the tools, drag-and-drop builder, inventory, payments, mobile-ready design, and 24/7 support. No need to worry about upfront costs. You can test your products, validate your ideas, and build your brand without financial pressure. And the best part? You can cancel anytime, but once this offer is gone, it's gone. If you're serious about building a side hustle or full-time e-commerce brand, this is the smartest and cheapest way to start in 2025. But remember, deals like this don't last forever, so make sure you click the link in the description and grab yours before it expires. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you or you're excited to start your online store, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment telling me what kind of store you're launching. And don't forget to share this video with someone who's been talking about starting a business. See you in the next one, and happy selling!